welcome back to another one of our videos. Today I'm going to be reading Olivia Helps Mother Nature. I'm not going to tell you who it's by because it doesn't say. What are you doing? What are you doing? Asked Ian. I am recycling to help Mother Nature, says Olivia.
Can we see the pictures?
The blends are for these things. We are finishing using Olivia says. Old glass, paper, and plastic get made into other things. Cool, Ian answers. Now time for... I forgot it. Operation Mother Nature, says Olivia.
Turn it around so you can see the picture.
Olivia takes her dad's newspaper. Olivia turns out a light. Did the power go out? Asks Mom. Oh. Hey, yells Ian. Olivia turns off a faucet. Save water, Olivia cries. Dad finds his newspaper. Olivia recycling it's great. But please, let me finish reading it first. We are going out for dinner, says Mom. Please get into the car. Can we walk? Olivia asks. It is better for Mother Nature if we don't use gas. If we took the car, we wouldn't have seen this beautiful starry sky, says Dad with a smile. At bedtime, Ian wants to keep the light on. He does not like the dark, but that wastes electricity, cries Olivia. Olivia wants to help. He tries to make a glowing helmet. It does not work.
See the pictures.
Olivia tells Ian if he keeps the light off, he can knock on the wall for her if he gets scared. Ian knocked all night. The next morning, they are very tired. We need a new idea, Olivia says. You can say that again, answers Ian. Wait, did I already do this? How about a flashlight? Asks Ian. No, that uses up batteries, says Olivia. I need to think. Of course, fireflies, Olivia cries. We'll need to let them out in the morning and get new ones tomorrow night, Olivia says. I can't sleep with the light off, says Ian. I am proud of you doing so much to save energy, says Dad. Thanks, Dad. Good night, says Olivia. And please turn off my light. The end.